Have you ever wondered how to tell whether ChatGPT's output is truly ready for your agile product backlog? In this lesson, we're going to run the prompt we crafted in the previous video and review the actual output generated by ChatGPT. We'll evaluate it based on agile standards, especially the INVEST principle, and analyze its usefulness for real-world scenarios like a book search feature for an Amazon-style website. If you're a product manager, business analyst, product owner, or scrum master, this will give you the confidence to assess and refine AI-generated user stories with a structured lens. Let's walk through the results and see how ChatGPT performs. The next step is to run this ChatGPT prompt that we've written in the last video. So what I'm doing is copying the prompt, going to ChatGPT, starting a new chat, pasting the prompt there and running it. Okay, ChatGPT has now generated 7 user stories. Let's look at the output. ChatGPT generated using our prompt for the book search feature of an Amazon-style book-selling website. Overall, impression. At first glance, this is a well-organized, thoughtful output. ChatGPT has clearly understood the prompt and responded with multiple user stories that map closely to real user needs within the feature scope. Now, let's evaluate this output against a few important dimensions. 1. Adherence to the INVEST principle. Let's go through each element of the INVEST principle. Independent. Each user story stands alone. For instance, searching by author, filtering by genre, and seeing book details are not interdependent. Negotiable. The stories are not overly prescriptive. For example, the filtering by genre story leaves room for discussion on implementation approach. Valuable. All stories are clearly valuable to the user. The benefit is explicitly stated in each story. For instance, so that I can find the most suitable options quickly. Estimable. Each story includes an effort estimate in story points, making them actionable for planning. Small. All stories are within the 7-point limit, indicating that they are scoped reasonably for a sprint. Testable. The outcomes are specific enough to be tested. For example, whether autocomplete works or search results appear by relevance or price. So on the INVEST scale, this is a strong performance by ChatGPT. 2. Estimated effort and sprint planning. Alignment. Effort estimates are provided in story points with a maximum of 7 points as instructed. Each story ranges between 2 and 6 points, reflecting an understanding of complexity and size differentiation. Examples. Searching by author, 2 story points, rightfully low. Displaying book details with image and pricing, 6 story points, understandably more complex. This shows that ChatGPT has assigned effort in a realistic and relative manner. From a sprint planning perspective, this breakdown could easily fit into an agile team's backlog and velocity models. 3. Coverage and comprehensiveness. ChatGPT's stories cover basic search, title, author, advanced capabilities, autocomplete, search suggestions, filtering and sorting, viewing results in a user-friendly way. It captures both functional breadth and user experience enhancements, which demonstrates an understanding not just of functionality, but of usability too. However, a minor improvement could be inclusion of error handling, edge case handling. These could be added in the next iteration. In this video, you saw how to run a well-structured prompt through ChatGPT and evaluate the quality of its output. Key takeaways include how to assess user stories using the INVEST principle, how to verify that effort estimates are realistic and sprint ready, how to check for feature coverage, and identify potential improvement areas. With these skills, you can confidently validate AI-generated content for agile use. Thanks for walking through this output review with me. You now know how to interpret and assess ChatGPT's user stories through the lens of agile best practices. The next step is to port these ChatGPT-generated user stories in an industry standard user story template and contextualize and refine them to your product's real-world circumstances. See you in the next video.